Okay, great, so here they are. It's a pretty simple box, fairly small, and I think the only difference that you can tell between these and the original AirPods is that you see that little indicator there? That's for the battery, and that essentially just says that you have the wireless charging case included. So yeah, let me start opening it up. No more Apple stickers, I guess. But I think this is just a quick start guide right here. I mean, this is why you buy them, since they're just so easy to pair and just use with their H1 chip. Okay, I'll put that aside. And I did get them custom made. Right here, I just got the peace sign. And you could do any sort of word, or if you want, you could add in any emoji or a pre-selected emoji. They don't have all the emojis, but this is the one that I like the most. And here they are. So you can see there, designed by Apple. And you can see that status light. This is just going to be a normal lightning cable. Let's see what else comes in the box. And yeah, so that's just the holder, and we have the charging cable. This just seems like a normal charging cable that comes with the old iPhones with that lightning port. So that's pretty much it, guys, and if you're interested in this type of content, let me know, and I might actually do a review on these guys as well once I've used them for like 14 days. Thanks a lot, and subscribe for more content. Bye.